Hello again, Fen family. It's Mrs. Hicks, and I'm here to show you a quick math game today. It's very similar to a math game that you guys are playing in workplaces. For most grade levels, I think this is a game in your workplaces, and it's mostly for older kids, but I think you can adapt it to any grade um, depending on your math skills. So, what you're going to need is you're going to need a deck of cards. And I'll have to break out my Cleveland Browns since I can't watch any sports right now. And what you want to do is you want to take out all the face cards. So those get put off to the side. So in your deck, you have 1 through 10. Your aces are considered ones. You're going to, each of you, you and your partner, are going to need a piece of paper to keep track of your score, or you can also use it to work out any of your computating and working out your math. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to, it's called a target. And what you're going to do is you're going to pass out 3 cards to each person. And then you flip over the next card, and that's going to be your target number. So if you turn over your cards and your partner turns over his or her cards, what you need to do is you can add, subtract, multiply, divide, do whatever you can with the 3 cards that you have to try to hit your target number. So I'm looking at mine and I say, okay, I have 10 plus 1 minus 8 equals 3. So since I was able to hit my target number on my paper, I'm going to put a T for target. Now, my partner can look at his or her cards and they can say, oh, I have 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 7 is 3. So my partner also hit their target number. So they will put a T for target. Then you just sweep the cards off to the side. You don't need to use those. You put those off to the side for later. And then you can deal out 3 more. This time our target number is 4. So when I flip over my cards, I can say, oh, 4 times 10 is 40, divided by 10 is 4. So I can put an A next to my T because I was able to hit my target number. My partner, looking at these, not so much. I don't think my partner is going to be able to come up with 4 by using any of the operations. So my partner is just left with a T and he's not able to put an A. So then you sweep those cards off to the side. This time I'm going to show you what happens. I'm just going to pretend that this time when I pass out the cards, that neither one of you will be able to hit your target number. So I'm not really going to try to make any of the operations, use any of the operations to make my target number. So let's say that I cannot make my target number 6 and neither can my partner. So then what you'll do is you'll flip over another card to each person. And even though you have 4 cards facing you, you can only use 3 of them still to hit your target number. And again, you can use multiplying, dividing, adding, or subtracting. If you still cannot, you just keep flipping over one more card until you can get a combination of 3 cards that will hit your target number. So that's pretty much the game. It's, you keep playing then until the first person to spell target by hitting the target number first is the winner. Just a tip, you might want to use more than one deck of cards. Otherwise, you're going to be cycling through your cards very quickly. This is a great opportunity if you have those random decks that are around the house that aren't have like mismatched or something like that. Just again, take out the face cards and you can play hit the target. I hope you're all doing well. We will talk to you soon.